Hello everyone, and welcome to the highly anticipated preview of Pickering City Centre, a 55-acre master plan community by CentreCourt, located at the Pickering Town Centre lands. My name is Jason Lam, and I'll be your host today as I share with you why Pickering City Centre is going to be the most sought-after condominium community in the GTA. To get started, I'd like to share with you 5 key reasons why this is going to be a one-of-a-kind investment opportunity for anybody looking to get into the market this fall. Number 1, there is a severe shortage of condominium options in Durham region. With limited options available and a high dependence on low-rise inventory, early investors at Pickering City Centre stand to benefit from this major shortfall. Number 2, this is a huge 55-acre master plan community that will have over 10 mixed-use residential towers surrounding a shopping center consisting of over 180 retail shops, all of which located at the most central location in all of Pickering and Durham region. And number 3, the advanced built-in infrastructure located on site and the immediate surrounding area will propel this community far beyond any other master plan we've ever seen in the GTA. Quality employment, convenient retail shopping, transit connectivity, and so much more is here. Number 4, Pickering City Centre will be priced below the market. That means it will be priced to sell. This will be the most affordable new condominium in the GTA coming this year. And number 5, you've got a highly reputable developer partner leading the way. The team at CentreCourt has proven time and time again why they're often regarded as one of the most active, accomplished, and trustworthy developers in the GTA. Let's talk about the location. The location of this 55-acre master plan community is on the grounds of the current Pickering Town Centre Mall. It's located between Highway 401 and Kingston Road and between Liverpool Road and Glen Anna Road. This location is packed with infrastructure and amenities that residents will see tremendous value in. Let's check them out. Located directly east of the site is Pickering City Hall at the corner of Glen Anna Road and Esplanade South. Round-the-clock, ultra-convenient access to Highway 401 is just seconds away. And speaking of transportation, Pickering GO train station is just a short walk away for all residents of Pickering City Centre, providing residents easy and affordable access to the entire GTA GO train network system, with Union Station only 6 stops away. Now we've got highway access and regional train access, and the future of Durham region is looking bright with the upcoming construction of the Durham-Scarborough BRT transit line. This municipal transit infrastructure is going to be a game changer for the local community. Extending 36 kilometers, this line will have 49 stops and will provide much needed and easy access from Scarborough Town Centre all the way to Oshawa. There are 3 office buildings immediately to the southwest where institutional employers take up over 300,000 square feet of commercial office space. You've got over 100 retail shops at your doorstep. The 700,000 square foot mall is going to survive and thrive as a major heartbeat of this community. Residents of Pickering City Centre will have the ultimate daily shopping experience. Coffee, groceries, dining, to catching a movie. This has it all, and it's only going to get better. With all this infrastructure here and ready, the foundation is set to propel this community into a brand new downtown hub. Our first community, known as Block 1, is located on the east side of the mall, directly across from Pickering City Hall. This first block will comprise of 4 mixed-use residential towers that will stand between 40 and 55 floors and house approximately 2,000 suites. These stunningly designed towers will be connected through a shared podium and offer future residents with over 100,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor amenities. These amenities are truly one of a kind, starting with a 20,000 square foot gym, a sleek rooftop infinity pool, shared co-working areas for the busy professional, and plenty of spaces throughout to host and entertain kids, friends, and families for any occasion. For those of you who are not familiar with Durham region, it's ripe with untapped potential and growth opportunity. Of the 5 major GTA submarkets, Durham has the largest landmass. And between 2016 and 2021, Durham region saw the second highest population growth, which has not yet stopped, thus putting pressure on the community to provide more housing options. The major challenge that we face in Durham region is the lack of condominium supply and the high dependence on low-rise homes to supplement the housing needs of locals. With over 400,000 completed condo suites scattered across the GTA, shockingly only 2% of that inventory is currently in Durham region. Between 2016 and now, we've seen over 170,000 condo suites launched across the GTA, and only 4% are represented in Durham. The next generation, the downsizers, the empty nesters, are left to select from a very scarce pool of condominium product. And Durham region sorely needs condominium supply for a variety of reasons. Number one, to provide more accessible pricing for the next generation and retain them in this community. Number two, to give a unique, convenient lifestyle option for downsizers and the elderly and extended families. Number three, to attract young talent and keep up with the unprecedented and rapid population growth taking place throughout the region. And number four, to keep up with the region's ambitious growth plans to transform into a thriving destination for residents, employers, and visitors alike. The term master plan is often thrown around throughout the industry, and let me tell you, not all master plans are created equal, and this 55-acre transformation will set a new standard never seen before. What makes Pickering City Centre so unique is not about what's coming, but what's already in place from day one. No other master plan has started off with such a strong foundation, setting the table for Pickering City Centre to become downtown Durham. The excitement around Pickering City Centre starts with its pricing value, and it will not disappoint savvy investors looking for an opportunity to be first in line, starting at only $10.50 per square foot. Whether you're comparing Pickering City Centre to current pre-construction or existing resale condos, one thing is clear: our suites are priced to sell. The blueprint for condo investing is obvious. Get in at the beginning. You've got the best location in Pickering, the very first launch of a master plan, and the lowest condo prices in the market. That has the hallmark of the highest potential condo investment opportunity in the GTA. Located between the shopping mall and Pickering City Hall, Block 1 and its 4 towers will rise between 40 and 55 stories. A brand new public park will be situated directly north of the site. With Tower 1, it will be located on the southwest corner of Block 1. Tower 2 is on the northwest side, Tower 3 on the southeast corner, and Tower 4 will rise 55 stories tall on the northeast corner, making it the tallest tower in Durham region. As the Pickering City Centre vision starts to come to life, the mall and the surrounding community will see rapid growth and investment, which will undoubtedly enhance the community and reward early investors in the master plan. At Pickering City Centre, we've got the right team, the right location, and the right vision. And all you have to do is make the right choice. This is historic. This is your chance. This is your opportunity to be a part of the new Pickering. Nowhere else in the GTA will you find this combination of affordability and growth potential. Pickering City Centre is launching this fall, so make sure you contact your realtor to get all the right information.